Hello people and welcome back to ToadlAm channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam all over the world. And we'll start today's episode off with a crazy road rage between two drivers. One driver tried to reverse, but the guy behind him didn't want to budge. Check out what happened when the driver got out of his car to confront him. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. This guy is using two lanes to turn.
Different ways that we can practice basic negotiating tactics in our...
Let me tell you, baby, he's from Michigan. Michigan drivers don't know how to drive. Okay? Hello? Sir? Okay, let go. Oh my God, I think you got it.
John. Piece of shit. Not paying attention.
In this video, we have two truck drivers holding up traffic, and one tries to run the other off the road while trying to move over. This was a lot closer than it appears on camera, people, and this type of road behavior is never welcomed. This lost cause of a cyclist crossed the road without bothering to look, and on top of that, the road was totally busy and the biker almost hit him head on. As usual, the camera caught some bad driving moves on his dashcam. Make sure to stick around and pay close attention at every mistake in this video and try your best to learn out of it and not repeat it.
How much more can I tell you to go?
Yeah.
And why'd you wait till the last second? That's how you park.
She said, well, they're not about to... He's not going to stop. They're not going to stop.
Oh, they're gonna
They
stop.
got to stop.
They're gonna stop. Because I made sure they're gonna stop.
Yeah.
The guy's look at that. He's holding up the guys that are allowed to turn on a red because he's gonna cross the street on a red and risk getting run over by a freaking car.
Yep.
Check out this champion right here. He's standing in the middle of a parking space, totally oblivious to other vehicles who might want to enter it.
Okay, I'll jump out. I'll jump out. I'll jump out. Hold on.
When you're distracted while driving, you might easily find yourself in a completely opposite lane, just like this pickup truck driver did. Never allow yourself to be like that. Put away your phone and pay attention at the road. Whenever you decide to sit behind your wheels and enter the dense traffic, you have to pay attention at everything, because everything is of huge importance. For example, using your turn signals on time, checking your side view and your rear view mirrors, stopping at a stop sign or at a red light. Those are mandatory, but in this video you will see a lot of drivers who actually don't care about none of those.
A few moments later.
Pode isso, Arnaldo!
Your social security number is not required for voting at any point, not for any part of the process, or just register.
God damn.
Not even when you register.
Crazy biker tried to confront the camera about who was right at the intersection back there, but unfortunately the biker had no clue about how to read traffic signs or behave in traffic, and the camera made sure to teach him a lesson. Check out how this argument unfolded.
Yeah, look out, man. You almost hit me back there.
There's a huge sign. You're supposed to stop. You stop. You wanna check the camera?
Yeah, we can take camera. I don't have a stop sign right there, bro.
There's a huge sign for you. There's a huge sign. Go back. There's a huge sign for you. There's a huge sign. Pay attention. I made a stop and then I went. You should yield. Go back and check and let me know.
Yeah, I will.
Okay? I know how to drive. I have 30 years driving.
Yeah, cool. I'll take
Right?
you to riding. Cool. That's nice. You should have pulled up right next to me, brother.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be behind me right now.
You came next to me first. What are you talking about? You talk too much.
You talk too much, brother.
Go ahead.
All right, bye.
Go.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DadeDashcam channel. Hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe even learning a thing or two based on proper road behavior. If you really like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because we would really appreciate it. And also while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. And until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe, guys.